This is 24-hour fixed channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to create a demo account on your MetaTrader 5. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So as you can see here, right here is the home page of my MetaTrader 5. This is actually what you're going to see once you download the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. So you can actually get the MetaTrader 5 app from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Go ahead and search for MetaTrader 5 app and you're going to be able to see it. So you need to install it on your device. After the installation, you need to go ahead and click on open and it's going to direct you to this page. So this was actually how I got to this page. So right here I'm going to click on accept after reading their terms and conditions, which is actually their policy. So you can go ahead and click on accept just like this. So right here it says here open a demo account. So we want to actually open a demo account. I've actually made a video for you guys on how to open a real account on MetaTrader 5. So if you want to create a real account, you can go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to leave that video as well on this video's description. So you can go ahead and click on open an account if you want to open a demo account. Go ahead and click on that. So once you click on that, looking here it says first name and it says here as well second name. So right here you need to input your first name, you need to input your second name, you need to input your date of birth, your phone number. You can actually input any phone number of your choice because this is actually a demo account. Looking right here as well, you can see where it says email. You need to input an email. So right here you can see where it says account type. So when you click on that just like this is where you need to select the currency you want to be using on your demo account. Now let's take for instance you want to be using the USD. That's actually the first option. So you need to go ahead and click on USD just like this. After selecting that currency, looking here you can actually change your leverage as well to whatsoever one you want. So right here you can see where it says deposit. Now this deposit is actually the amount of money that is going to appear on your demo account. If you want to actually start trading with, let's say 5,000 USD, in order to grow from there, you can actually go ahead and select 5,000 USD. After doing that, looking here you can see where it says accept. You need to accept that you are the one that actually inputted this information and you agree to their terms and conditions. Then go ahead and click on register. You can see register right here. This is register. Go ahead and click on register. So when you do that, looking here you can see where it says Todi, you can see where it says Faraday, you can see the account type, you can see the deposits right here. So right here you can see where it says done. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So when you click on that just like this, looking here you can see your deposit amount. This is my deposit amount. This is the swap amount and everything. So you've been able to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. Now at the bottom here you can see quotes. If you click on that, you're going to see your quotes. If you click on chart, you're going to see your chart. If you click on trade, you're going to see your trade as well. Now this is the message option. So this is how simple it is to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. Hope you found this video helpful because we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. And trust me, this channel is ready for you. See you in the next one.